When walking along a mountain path, it's not unusual to come across trail runners. Trail runners are equipped with poles and are therefore of particular interest to Guidetti VA, a company located in Fontaine in the French department of Isère. We manufacture poles or batons for downhill skiing, cross-country skiing, trail running and Nordic walking. The Guidetti brothers set up their business in 2005 and today have about 10 employees, making some 25 different products, all made in France and exported as far away as Japan. In 1998, Pascal Guidetti, an industrial product designer and mountain enthusiast, had already developed the first hiking poles, equipped with a telescopic automatic adjustment system. In 2011, he invented the Arc, the new weapon for trail running. The idea behind the Arc pole was to try to develop two things. There wasn't really any special pole for trail running, so we had to find an idea that was specific to this activity, and at the same time one that would help develop our image. Since our company has only existed for a little under 10 years, the idea was to make an impact with this activity, which has a relatively limited number of participants. And from a marketing point of view, finding a really innovative product would have been fantastic. One of the key characteristics of the Arc pole is its weight. It's basically a single tube that is bent and folded to make it more solid. A second feature, which is very important, was finding a way for runners on long trails to be able to put their poles on their backs when not using them, without having to take their rucksacks off. To begin with, trail runners thought it was perhaps a gadget, but after using the pole for 10 minutes or so, they found it really good, because they didn't have to take off their rucksacks. It's finding the idea that is really hard when you're looking for an innovative product. Once you've hit on the idea, which for us was a little more than a year ago, you have to carry out mechanical tests. In the beginning, we experimented with a pole that really was in the shape of a bow, but with the tests, we realized that it turned around the user. Afterwards, we worked on the angles to make sure it fitted more securely on the back. With a product like this, we invested something like €45,000, and that's without counting the hours of work we put in. The competitive advantage comes from the fact that we were working on two ideas. It's a product for trail running and therefore innovative. It's the only one on the market. And secondly, because we are the only ones in the market, a market which is in any case relatively small, it's very important for us to make people aware of our brand, so we can sell even more of our other poles for trekking and Nordic walking. So this helps us progress not only in trail running, but in all our other activities. The success of Frère Guidetti is based on two values: our Made in France label, which we put on all our products, and innovation, a quality we enjoy demonstrating to every customer. And now, of course, we have yet another story to tell them.